Good morning. It's just me and one fisherman on the beach so far. Big day today. If I want to cross the peninsula to the northern coast, because this part is inaccessible by bicycle to me, if I want to cross the peninsula, it's a full 40 kilometers today. So I better get moving. That's one of my biggest days this year. I would have been a bit miffed to pay the €2.50 to get in here, but the nice guy let me in for free. So I'm very happy to see it for the price of €0. I stopped for another halloumi bacon cheese egg muffin before leaving town because I noticed belatedly that I'm crossing the peninsula today without access to a supermarket, maybe the odd kiosk, and it's a climb of 700 or 800 meters. So I had my muffin and they were giving out free bananas, so I grabbed a handful of them, and hopefully that will see me over the peninsula. Baths of Aphrodite, that's where I'm going. Oh, wine museum! Okay, maybe I'll get some calories there. Here's the island and my beach camp just in front of it. Halfway, there's a couple of cyclists on the way up. It's not going too badly. There's the sea back there. Yeah, so far so good. Here's the first grapevines. To Kathikas I, the very cute village at the top of the hill, and I've just been asked if my solar panel powers the engine. Hello. What are you after? Are you after my sheep yogurt or my banana? It's a very sour one, so I'm going to put some date juice with it. Kalimara. So this is the museum. I do like these things though. Here we have one Jersey pound, 5 Scottish pounds. Wine tasting comes with olives and olive oil and bread. It's not like I was here for the museum, is it? It's really good. Now I always say that because I miss good chilled wine. Yum. This olive oil is delicious. Shiraz rosé. Watch me say now that this is my favourite. I think it is. Outstanding. Okay, we're into the reds, something that I can realistically buy. This is Merlot with marathiftiko, which is Cypriot, which I've never had before, obviously. It smells amazing, like a dura. It's good. I preferred the white and the rosé, which is no good for my pania. This is the grape, 43% I think she said. I'm instructed to do it in one shot, and then I have a sweet on standby. Ugh. Not for me. Finally, the sweet rosé dessert wine, which I don't want to like because I can't carry it. I love it. I think I just like all cold wine. I didn't buy any wine there because the ones I liked had to be chilled. But also, for €5, I thought their tasting sizes were pretty mean. When I think back to Northern Israel, the wine tasting I did there, the tasting was free and the serving sizes were very generous. And so I bought myself a nice lunch there. Nice cold wines though. Shame I don't have a fridge. This side trip was recommended on Park for Night, which is probably a great place to park for the night. But round that way, on the next track down, that I think I can cut through, is a much nicer little beach. Cheers! Doesn't get much better than this.